Today, according to a study on home ownership conducted by global consultancy Brandscapes Worldwide, 70% of those surveyed said that they could not find a home within the loan cover they were getting from the lender. And this 70%, which fell in the 7 to 20 lakh salary bracket, had to dip into their savings to make the down payment. Now, close to 50% also stated that the loan to value ratio was the most important criteria to go ahead with their property purchase decision. Well, how much loan cover you get from a lender definitely makes or breaks your property decisions, especially if you're falling short of the requisite budget. But now the National Housing Bank is proposing to shake things up. Here's my report.
For India's growing middle class, home ownership is their biggest aspiration and their most toughest life goal. Just when the young and the salaried reach their ideal pay scale, they make the move to buy their first home, only to find out soon that their wait for their home will be longer than they anticipated. Apart from searching for a home in the right budget, finding the right home loan cover is equally challenging today. As per RBI norms, priority sector loans below 20 lakhs get a 90% loan to value cover, but loans between 20 lakhs to 75 lakhs get a 80% loan cover, while loans over 75 lakhs get only a 75% cover. The middle-class home seeker is most likely to go for a home costing above 20 lakhs. But with housing finance companies covering only 75 to 80% of the property value as a home loan, buyers are left to build the rest of the 20 to 25% equity from their savings. The gap is often too much, and many home seekers defer their buying decisions to save more. And by that time, property prices would have increased. The regulator for housing finance companies, the National Housing Bank, is now seriously contemplating raising the loan-to-value ratio to 90% to ease the pressure on borrowers. Financiers claim the Indian mortgage market has been on a stable footing in recent times, with gross NPAs being the lowest in any category of retail assets. But credit offtake has been lukewarm. So there is definitely room for a product like the mortgage guarantee, but with clarity in execution and regulations. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.
Okay, divided views on whether one should raise the loan-to-value ratio to 90% and whether the mortgage guarantee product is an effective tool to protect lenders from the resulting risk. To discuss the fine print in detail, I'm joined by Shrikant. Is Harsh Rungta from Mumbai, CEO of ApnaPaisa.com, an expert we love to listen to. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. Mr. Rungta, so for the average home buyer, can you break down what could be the benefits? We all know higher LTVs is one benefit, faster decision making. Can you break down the benefits to the common home buyer with such a product?
I think very, very clearly what this will enable home buyer obviously is the fact that for the same house he now might be able to get a larger loan. Because it's not restricted by the LTV. There's just one point that I really wanted to make. As Shrikant just said, we didn't have these LTV norms till 2010, and despite that, if you look at the portfolio built up before that time, where in some cases the LTV was higher than the current norms, they haven't really gone bad. So the risk of higher LTV in India is deferred to some great extent by the fact that there is an unsaid value, which is unfortunately in real estate we have the unaccounted or the black portion. Now that accounts for say 10-20%, plus now by regulation the stamp duty and registration cost, at least for banks, if not for the housing finance companies, is not allowed to be taken as value. Now that all adds up to a large contribution by the buyer, which is now barred by regulation for the banks or housing finance companies to fund. And to the extent I think mortgage guarantee allows a portion of this to be funded, it will be beneficial for the home buyer. What's important, of course, is the cost, because ultimately the cost of that is going to be borne by the consumer. It may be a lender paid mortgage insurance, but it is going to be recovered from the consumer, so that's going to be a higher cost loan.
Bring Mr. Rungta in. Mr. Rungta, a lot of the buyers, a lot of the lenders firstly are not aware of the mortgage guarantee product. That's understandable. It's a new product introduced into India. But a lot of them, like I just said, they're skeptical. They say that already their margins are so razor thin. This product adds an additional cost. What's the truth behind that, and how can we make mortgage guarantee, this concept, how can we make lenders find value in a concept like this in India?
So Vasudha, what does it allow? I think why did it originate? I mean, clearly it originated in the US basically to allow people to buy houses with lower down payments, and because that increased risks, this insurance was made compulsory. Now, so that was so clearly it is it's a product that from a consumer side allows you to buy with a lower down payment. Now, where is that requirement the most? That requirement, I think, is much higher. As I mentioned, the real down payment today has gone up dramatically. One mainly is the black portion that unfortunately exists. Now that is down payment that the buyer makes from his own pocket. Plus today, as far as if he is borrowing from the banks, the stamp duty and registration charges also he has to pay. Plus, depending on the loan amount, 10, 20 or 25%. Now, clearly the down payment is high, and there is a small section of the consumers who would like to have a higher loan because that's the only way they can afford to buy the house. Now, how big is that market? I think that probably Mr. Srivastav is much better positioned to say. And obviously that segment may not mind paying the high cost, because obviously that will be paid eventually by the consumer. How big is that market? I don't really know. How many consumers are constrained by down payment? I think that is really the key that will decide how successful the mortgage guarantee concept is.
Which bracket, Mr. Harsh Rungta, always a pleasure to speak to you. All right, moving on, let's talk about Thane and Pune, and our next caller is on the line. Hi, how can we help you?